Welcome to Knowledge World. Here, today we are going to learn about the signature. Each and every email has signature. We see sometime, like let's say, we are getting few emails. So if we go down to those emails, we can see here this kind of signature. So I want to see like if we can make signature for our Gmail, whether it is possible or not. I got questions related to that, like whether we can use the signature in Gmail IDs or not, and if yes, so how it can be done. So before that, like I go ahead, I would request all, if you are finding videos which are helpful to you, kindly subscribe the channel and like the videos as well. If you feel like it is helpful or if you have any questions, you can comment always in the video section. So here I'll show how you can make signature in your Gmail IDs. So first we need to go to the settings, see all settings, and then this general tab we need to click. We'll go down. Here you will get signature. So you will click on create new. You will write down any name, whatever you want to give, and then create. And this kind of box would come. Here you need to paste your choice of signature and convert it according to your things. Let's say here is a job title. You can enter office address. I'm just taking this one because this is an example one. I will not use this. Mobile number, email address. In email address, obviously you will use your Gmail address, whatever it is. I'm just giving nothing. And your website if you have any LinkedIn profile. So this would come in this way, and then you will go down, and there is one more thing. Here, these things should be selected like as a manual. So automatically, whenever you will reply, you will be replying any new email, or you are going to get any emails and you are composing new emails, so your signature would come in that. So we'll click on save changes, and then if you will click on compose, you will see signature here. Automatically it would come. Or if you are replying this, so an email, it would come automatically here. So this is the one way. And here obviously, like I would suggest to mention your signature always, either it is Gmail ID or official ID. So how to remove that, we should learn that as well. So let's go on the setting, see all settings, general tab. We'll go down here, we'll search signature. Here it is coming. If we will just click on this and delete, so it has gone, and we just need to save changes. So you can see when you click on compose, nothing would come. Whenever you will replying any email, nothing would come. So this is the way you can use the signature, and it would really help. Like if someone wants to call you, they take the number from your signature and they call you, or sometime like they just want to have your details, what you are, where you are working, what's your location or your website. They take these things from your signature, so it really helps. Thanks for watching the video. If you find anywhere it is helpful for you, so kindly subscribe the channel. Please try to comment if any questions are there, and if like this video is workable for you, please like that video as well. Thank you.